Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick tech guides like this one. Today, I'll show you how to delete a message in Microsoft Teams. Perfect if you've sent something by mistake or just want to clean up your chat. First, open Microsoft Teams either in your web browser or through the Teams app and go to the chat section. Find the conversation that contains the message you want to delete. This could be a one-on-one chat, a group conversation, or a project-specific chat room. Once you locate the message, hover over it or tap it and you'll see 3 dots, the ellipsis menu. Next to it, click those dots. From the menu that appears, choose Delete. Teams will ask for confirmation to make sure you really want to remove it. Click Yes, Delete, and just like that, the message disappears from the chat. Remember, this action is permanent. Once deleted, you can't get the message back. And that's it. You've cleaned up your Teams chat in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with a teammate, and subscribe for more quick tech guides.